top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, somebody tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, how are you? Another day, a new day. Welcome to the vlog. So we are at a function. Today's Sunday and oh
No,
you feel too cool? You feel too nice?
You're just looking at myself, that's all.
Yeah, so we are at a function. We were invited and we're here, but you know, look like nobody did much there. Are we too early?
Well,
one
thing me think, I think I'm overdressed.
I think we overdressed, like
we do it too extra.
Boy, me don't know. Let me not say we overdressed yet because
yeah,
I just two people we see so far. And
no, if you're Fox, one of my friend Dana, she actually dressed up nice cause me see her suit and it look real nice. So that make three of us so far. I'm not sure about. I'm jacket suit in my back. I'm
having jacket in my back over there, right?
I can put it on, but I carry it over my shoulder.
Oh gosh, but yeah, so this is the outfit. We're gonna give you a full OOTD outfit of the day.
Yeah.
And yeah, you look nice too. You can say thanks.
Yeah.
You have to say
Thank you. You look sexy too. Thank you. Sexy like you look right or something.
Alright, move. Maybe. Right now, me hungry. Me even run left me belt. Like, my dress. Alright, I'm not showing not too much.
Can you go outside?
Like, my belt for this. I'll even run left it because was it low-key rushing?
Me never did a rush you.
You were low-key.
You start get ready. We have discovered
Alright,
12 o'clock. I start get ready from 1. And at 2 o'clock now I still not ready. Me don't understand that none of that.
Yes guys, so we have been inside here for quite some time. You can see outside kind of dark and thing. But we're at around today. It's like Kiwanis. It's a club. They're installing new members. We're not members of the club, but Kim's co-worker is the president and she invited us, so we are here and it's a very cute evening, you know. It's time for food and I'm hungry. It's like just a tear off outside and hunger bad, so we're being ushered to go and get food, so I guess we're waiting until our table gets here. Apparently we have overdressed as we were expecting in our minds, so we overdressed, right? We're rightfully dressed. We're rightfully dressed. Yeah, so that is what we're doing on for the night. Ensure that you guys follow us on Instagram so you can see the outfit of the night and team, and just follow us on Instagram. Yes, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet.
Comment. I like seeing comments.
Yes, we love seeing comments. We reply to every comment.
Yeah,
You want to comment, no matter what.
And if you disrespect me, I reply to you.
Try not disrespect me.
I'm just saying, you know.
But we love to, you know.
Like to chat. Like that. Feel oily.
Like bow tie.
You know, first time I read bow tie.
I got him this entire suit.
I ordered it.
I got him the entire suit. I'm the coordinator of tonight. Just
I mean, you want to wear orange and black. Match with your hair.
But they already buy my blue dress, so you need to get some blue too. Look at this, guys. I got this earring from Max's in Bucharest, and it says Black Queen. I love that earring here. Like, it is representing. I love it. I love
the Black King one.
You want that?
One Black King one.
Anyway, but me love it though. It's so cute. How much we pay for it? They had a 15% sale, and I think this was going for $300 and something dollars. Reasonable, and it's just cute and just everyday wear, every day. Not everyday wear, like, but you know what I mean. So I'm glad make me so representing. What's that one? So nothing else is there for the night to be done, but we'll definitely be checking in with you guys now and then. Can we think about? You look lost in our like. Yeah, think about.
That's the only one takes around 5 minutes.
Yeah, man, the food takes too long. You know, sabi ko po to, hinawit na yung kami. I'm going for the food. Come, we can join you, man.
We have coffee here. It might take too long though.
I'm hungry. So, when we get food, come back.
Lady Standout representing for Raquemardon's Records.